now we are going to put oil into the nose. That is anu oil. So you please note that the oil should be heated before putting. Heated means just you can put warm water into the vessel and put the bottle with anu oil into that water. So it will be room temperature. So after that, we are just taking anu oil and we are informing patient that we will put the 1 drop of anu oil into one nostril. So eyes better to be closed, and another nostril also should be closed. So just you are putting just like that, little bit opening the nose. And you are asking patient to breathe in the high. And while after you put the drop of oil, you should ask patient to rub their palms, and another specialist should rub the soles of the feet with oil, with warm oil. So like that, one nostril we put, and now we are going to put to another nostril. Same method. Yes, we have done that. So you can see the patient rubbing the palms, and we should rub the soles of the feet. So after that procedure, usually a lot of slime will be coming out, so you should give the tissue papers for your patient. Можете встать. The patient can just like that come up and remove all the mucus which is collected, and procedure will be finished. At the end, you have to give 1 glass of hot water to gargle the mouth. That's it, procedure.